Hey little bunnies, Sheila Gale here and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
17:30, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
Today we're doing another taste test video and we are gonna be doing Jamaican snacks or Caribbean snacks. I got these off Amazon. Sadly, no one traveled to Jamaica to get these, but they look really good. So let's get started. All right, you go ahead and pick.
I kind of want to compare these two.
Okay, so we got some banana chips.
Well, this one's plantain.
Oh, plantain, okay.
And then this one's banana.
Okay, so we got
Kettle
cooked ripe plantain chips and then banana chips.
Kettle cooked banana.
Okay, let's go with
see
banana.
See there's a difference.
Yeah, let's go with banana first because we're more familiar with banana. Are they like savory? Mm-hmm. Okay. They look like potato chips.
They taste like them.
Very oily. You definitely taste the oil and the salt in them. But I really like that. So my guess is those are gonna be a little sweeter.
This one says naturally sweet. So
oh,
maybe.
okay. So this might be the savory version. Plantain. Mm-hmm. They're sweet. They look like plantain or bananas. Oh, I like both. Depends on what mood you're in.
I think, yeah, it just depends on the mood.
Because if you want something real salty, these.
Like, I'm in a sweet mood, so.
Yeah, if you want something like slightly sweet and crunchy, go with the plantains. Next we have cheese tricks. These look like Cheeto Puffs. Mm-hmm. Like, I feel like every country has like their own version of Cheeto Puffs, like I've noticed.
It seems that way.
Right? Oh wow, these are, look how orange. That's like more orange than a Cheeto. Wow. It tastes exactly like a Cheeto Puff. And maybe even a little cheesier. I haven't eaten like Cheeto Puffs since I was like a kid. I remember liking them though. Those are good.
What's this one?
Zoomers.
Cheese wheels.
We got some cheese wheels. I feel like we have something like that shape, like that wheel shape, but not cheese flavored.
Oh, maybe.
You know what I'm talking about? I'll find it online and throw up a picture. Oh yeah, got that bright orange cheese going on.
Oh wow.
Very, very cheesy. Got a little bit of a kick to it.
It's spicy.
Those are good. Hi Jazzy, you want one?
What's this? Bigfoot?
Okay.
Bigfoot.
They look puffy too.
They love cheese puffs. We're getting all the cheese puffs out of the way now.
Yeah.
We open it.
Okay. Oh wow. All right, had to cut the bag open. So we got another cheesy puff in the shape of a foot.
It looks spicy.
Yeah, I see some spice on there. That's even spicier than this. Well, no, it just has a different spice.
I think I like that one the best. And we're talking about the cheese puffs.
Yeah.
Spice bun? What's... There's something inside it?
I don't know. Spice bun. Feels hefty.
Stinky, 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 stinky.
Hefty. Spice bun. I like the texture of it. Ooh, I think it's just bread. It smells good. Oh, it smells like raisin.
Like a cinnamon. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in it.
It's like a slight cinnamon taste.
It's actually pretty good.
This is really good. It reminds me of something like around the holidays, like Thanksgiving or something, like those kind of snacks. Like this is really good.
Kind of like a cinnamon roll, but not as sweet.
Yeah. We got some ginger biscuits.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you might like this. You like ginger.
I think it's like probably like a gingerbread kind of.
Hey, you said your stomach was hurting. This might help.
Yeah.
Oh, well, okay. That one like cracked in half.
That's fine.
But let's just show. Here it is. I bet it's like gingerbread maybe? It tastes like between a gingerbread cookie and a graham cracker. That's what it tastes like.
But it's very gingery.
It
like,
is. There's like no sugar. It's like straight up ginger, which I like. Not everyone likes. This is good.
Pure, like, I really taste ginger in it.
Here you go. These should help your stomach.
I hope they do.
They're crackers and ginger. That's what you need.
That's exactly what I need.
Jamaica is doing great so far. I've liked everything. Okay, we got some rough top biscuits. It's cool that it's like a clear bag. Biscuit? They're cute.
It smells like vanilla.
It has like a vanilla taste to it. Kind of like those little vanilla wafer cookies. You know what I'm talking about? You love those. What do you got there?
Duplex sandwich cookies. It seems like those cookies you get anywhere with like the icing.
Oh. Okay.
That's like an orange?
Ooh. Yeah, so chocolate vanilla.
It's like orange though.
And orange in the middle. Oh wow. How good is it?
I am a fan.
Okay, we got some Shirley biscuits. These look like they're gonna just be like plain crackers or something. A full size.
Aren't there
one.
Girl Scout cookies that look like this?
Yes, the I don't remember the name. I'll show a picture again. That's what they look like. They have like a little house on them. Yeah, just plain shortbread cookies. They're good though.
I don't like chocolate, but you can.
Oh, this is the final one. I saw this in the box and I'm like, oh, I want to try that. That looks good. Tiki Gold Chocolate Bolt. I bet it's like
Kind
a
of felt like a wafer,
Yep.
yeah. Like a chocolate covered wafer.
Just try it. Yeah, it's definitely a chocolate covered wafer.
Yeah.
Milk chocolate covered wafer. Jamaica had some really good snacks.
Jamaica knows what they're doing.
Yeah, really.
My favorite's the Bigfoot. It's like a spicy Cheeto puff in the shape of a foot. And I guess the ginger cookies, because my stomach's not
Yeah.
doing so great, so that might help.
If I'm in the mood for something salty, I like the banana chips. And I know it was kind of plain, but I like
That was good
the
too.
spice bun. Like this would be good, like just for like breakfast, like warmed up or something. It was really good. We don't have really anything like it. It's like I like the texture of it. Yeah.
That one's good.
Yeah. Jamaica did really good.
Thumbs up.
Yes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload. And check out our playlist of other snacks that we tried from different countries. And I will see you little bunnies in the next one. Bye.